Welcome to Grandad Reviews. Now, another comparison between the X-S10 and the X-H2S. This time looking at the IBIS and the OIS. Now, I'll start by saying that, in my opinion, I think the Fuji IBIS and OIS is excellent, but it's more geared towards stills more than video. And I think it's designed more for you to be the tripod, and so the IBIS and the OIS is removing those small movements while you're standing still or doing very slow movements like pushing into a scene or a very slow pan. So it's not really, as far as I can see, designed for vlogging as such, or doing fast movements or jerky movements and removing that. So just bear that in mind. And we're just going to do a walking test. I've got both cameras together. I'm going to do a walking test with the OIS and the IBIS off, then with it on. And obviously you can't split the two. If you've got OIS on, you've got IBIS on. If you've got IBIS on, you can't have one on its own. You've got to have both on or off. Well, then, just to check the IBIS on its own, I'm going to put two manual lenses on. We'll do the same walk. Then I was doing a push in and pull back from a scene, different focal lengths on both tests, and we'll just see what we get. So let's have a look. So there's the results, and quite surprisingly, from what I can see, the X-S10 seems better. It's not, in the walking test, it's not quite so jerky and it's not fighting the actual movement, whereas in the X-H2S, it's really quite jarring and quite robotic in its movements, and it's fighting against it. The X-S10 seems a bit better in that sense. But when we get to the push in and push out, they're pretty even. And I also noticed that when you've got the IBIS and the OIS on, there seems to be a bit more of a fight, a bit more of a jarring effect on it. Because when I've got the manual lens with just IBIS, it just seems a little bit better. So yeah, they both work. Probably the X-H2S just needs a few firmwares to alleviate some of that jarring, that fighting that it's got, and come up to the X-S10's level, and it'll probably surpass that with having a faster processor. It might be able to control those even better. But yeah, it does work. It works for the push in and out. It's just not the best for doing fast or harsh movements, which I don't think it is designed for anyway. So that's my results. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.